So many times students will have issues with their Chromebook or technology issues during your classroom, and this can be very difficult when you're trying to help another student or you're working with a small group. So it might be wise to create a student group that can kind of help with technology in the classroom. So this group um, can create kind of roles for students in kind of tech support. And so first thing they have here is they brainstorm different ideas to help other students when there is an issue with the Chromebook. So for example, they decided, okay, have you hit refresh? This might solve the problem right away. If it did not, you need to restart your Chromebook and sign out and sign back in. They need to make sure that their Chromebook is up to date. So they need to make sure that they can go into settings. And I think this is important because students often forget these first couple steps, and it might solve the problems right away. If they've done those 3 steps and they're still having issues, they will need to ask their teacher to see one of the students that are in this case, the techie student is a group that they are called. If the techie student is unable to, then they must go to the librarian and get help. And then it has the names of the students that they can see as the techies. Another thing that we have done in the past is a Chrome squad. So teachers nominate students in their class, and I kind of help run the Chrome squad. So students have to be nominated by their homeroom teacher in order to join. So here's a simple application that they have. Once students have joined, they get a welcome letter from me, and I pretty much approve everybody since the teachers have to approve them first. And then I have a couple students that will email me wanting to be in the club, and I just tell them, you need to talk to your homeroom teacher. I do not take requests unless the homeroom teacher has nominated students. So they get a welcome. They have to watch a video talking about what the Chrome Squad is and kind of going over our Google Classroom and the expectations. Then they join the Google Classroom. They answer a question that's already there. And then they help me think of ideas. And then they need to check their Google Classroom and emails frequently so they can stay up to date. And then I talk about if they want to add the Chrome Squad logo to their email. There's a video on how to do that. And I just set up the Google Classroom. So I've got help, welcome, I've got ideas, questions, videos, congratulations. We give out shout outs. So it's kind of a great community where students can comment to one another and give ideas, and they are kind of my go-to group. I'm able to go to these students when I need podcast episodes, when I need a video done, when I need brainstorming ideas on how to implement something, or if there's a new program, they're kind of my first to go to make sure that everything's running smoothly. They're also the go-to students in their classroom. Both of these different examples for tech support has really helped when there are issues.